Konnichiwa, watashi Angel Sharma, korekare anate sensei. Good morning, I am Angel Sharma. From now I am your teacher. So today we are going to learn some basic words of Japanese. If you are an Indian, so you are going in Japan, so you must know these basic words. And from next video, we learn more sentences from now. Arigato. What it mean by its pronunciation is arigato. And in English, you will say thank you. In English, what you say? Thank you. Repeat with me. In English, what you say? Thank you. And in Hindi, what you say? Shukriya. In Hindi, what you say? Shukriya. Now next word. Konnichiwa. 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 Repeat with me. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. In English, you will say hello. In English, what you say? Hello. And in Hindi, you will say namaste. What you say in Hindi? Namaste. Dare. What you say? Dare. Repeat with me. Dare. In English, you will say who. What you say in English? Who. And in Hindi, kaun. And in Hindi, kaun. Now next word, nani. Its pronunciation is nani. And in English, what you say? What. And in English, you say what. In Hindi, kya. In Hindi, kya. Next word is doko. What is this? Repeat with me. Doko. Once more, repeat. Doko. In English, you will say where. What you say in English? Where. And in Hindi, kahan. And in Hindi, kahan. In English, what you say? Where. And in Hindi, kahan. Sayonara. In English, you will say bye. And in Hindi, you will say alvida. In Japanese, you can say sayonara, and in English you say bye. In Hindi, alvida. Chichi. What you say in Hindi? Pita. What you say in Hindi? Pita. And in English, papa or dad. What you say in English? Papa or dad. And in Japanese, chichi. In Japanese, you will say okan. What you say? Okan. In English, you will say mom. What you say in English? Mom. And in Hindi, you will say mata. What you say in Hindi? Mata. Now we are going to repeat this. Arigato. English. Thank you. Hindi. Shukriya. Arigato. English. Thank you. Hindi. Shukriya. Konnichiwa. What you say? Konnichiwa. What? Konnichiwa. In English, you will say hello. In English, you will say hello. In Hindi, you will say namaste. In Hindi, you will say namaste. Dare. What you say? Dare. In English, you will say who. In English, what you say? Who. And in Hindi, kya. What you say in Hindi? Kya. Doko. In English, you will say where. Doko. Where. You say in English where. And in Hindi, kahan. What you say in Hindi? Kahan. Sayonara. You say in English bye. What you say in Japanese? Sayonara. And in Hindi, alvida. What you say in Hindi? Alvida. Chichi. What you say in English? Papa. What you say in English? Papa or dad. And Hindi, pita, and many more in other states. Okan. What you say in Japanese? Okan. In or mama. What you say? Or mama. In English, you will say mom or mummy. And in Hindi, you will say mata. What you say in Hindi? Mata. So repeat with me once more so you are are ready. Arigato, English, thank you. Hindi, shukriya. Konnichiwa, English, hello. Hindi, namaste. Dare, English, who? Hindi, कौन? नानी, English, what? हिंदी क्या? दो को English, where? In Hindi, कहाँ? Sayonara, in English you will say bye. Hindi you will say alvida. Chichi you will say in English papa or pitaji. In Hindi, Okan or mama. In Japanese you will say mom. In English, Hindi you can say mata. Thank you, arigato, for watching my video.